Hello my friend, have a good day. Now I will actually replace your item. I'll put it inside the motherboard. Okay? Dito mo lang tutok ha. Para nakikita nila. Huwag mo kong kunan ha. Okay. This is existing memory, Team Alike. So I will replace to your send it item. This is your 8 GB. Okay? I will show you that this memory is not working. Okay? Focus here. Focus sa camera. Okay, now I will turn it on. I will turn it on the PC. Here is your said memory that's working, but it's not. See. No action taken. The computer is still dead, not functioning. I hope you satisfied on my video, and look for to convince you that the PC is power on. Here is the LED power. It's still blinking and no functioning. Okay? Now, I will turn it off. Then, I will back it on actual memory. Okay? Here's your memory. Okay, I'll put it into plastic bag. Now, I'll return it back. Okay? Now I'll turn it on. See? This is not functioning. Your item is not functioning. Okay? I hope I'll convince you that your item is no good. See? This PC is good. Then your item is no good. Okay? No need to look for a professional. Thank you very much. Have a good day.